feeling ko makarelate ka dyan. Kasi diba, music is something na nakaka-relax. It relaxes you.
Yes.
But sometimes, it doesn't relax the other
one
person. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Junae.
I'm Miley!
For today's vlog, magkakaroon pa rin tayo ulit ng Instagram raid for the one of the delegates sa upcoming Miss Universe Philippines. And this time it's gonna be
VVV.
Victoria Velasquez Vincent. Ang kanyang Instagram handle is very simple as her full name. Victoria Velasquez Vincent with 93.8 thousand followers on Instagram. And nakalagay dito is flags ng Philippines, Spain, and New Zealand.
Wow! Very good ka sa ano ba to? Geography.
Geography? Walang geography.
Geography. Meron nakalagay na 555. Tapos, designer of space and self. Miss Universe Philippines, Bacoor City.
Ayan. So, ang kanyang broadcast channel is mga ka-IVV vegan.
Very witty.
Mabasa-basa.
Witty.
With 2.5 thousand members. And let's jump in sa kanyang profile. Let's check muna yung kanyang pinakaunang post kung kaya ba nating puntahan.
Depende kung gano'n nakatagal yung account niya.
I think kaya natin yan. Kakayanin natin. So, ano masasabi mo kay VVV?
Napaka-iconic ng VVV.
Very, memorable siya.
Oo. Kumbaga meron na siyang sariling brand.
So, ayan ang kanyang pinakaunang post ay nung July 1, 2018. This is in Philippines, feeling ko.
Find the things that scare you the most, then face them. Ay, wow.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Hashtag, it's more fun in the Philippines. Yes, true. Very, napaka-brave nun, no?
Oo, very brave. Very, napaka-aesthetic nung picture. Tsaka,
gusto ko yung mga nauna niyang post before. I think more of Siargao ba to? Kasi ito yung sa Cloud9 something.
Napaka-curated aesthetics nung feed niya. Tignan mo, di ba?
Mga nauna.
Oo.
Yung dito na vibe, parang makakita mo parang siyang island girl. Just enjoying the sun and the ocean. Yung parang ganun na vibe.
Magaling yung photographer niya. Kung sino man yung photographer niya.
That was before na kanyang post. So, ang kanyang latest one, I think this is the swimsuit. So, ayan yung kanyang swimsuit.
Diba? She's
Diba ang cute nun? Yun yung parang masaya na mapanood yung mga girls na
quirky.
They are, kumbaga, pressured sila sa pageant at the same time. They have this moment na nag-enjoy sila. They're just themselves.
Personality na kung ika nga sa sabi nila.
So this one, kasi Kimans is one of their sponsor partner ganyan. And we also know how important is skincare. Kailangan talaga alagaan natin yung skin natin para hindi tayo magmukhang haggard. No matter how many bashings, kahit na ilang bad comments man yan yung ma-encounter natin and all. Basta yung skin natin, alagaan natin.
I mean, self-improvement. Skincare is a type of self-improvement. And self-improvement
and it's also a type of self-love.
Self-love,
it's
yes.
how you show your love sa sarili mo, kung how you care about yourself.
Yes, correct ka dyan.
May gusto ako dito.
Medyo hawig siya ni yung sa Can't Buy Me Love, si Bivory.
Siya yan.
Wow, drone. Siguro may team talaga siya na para sa mga social media postings niya. Or baka siya yung nagdo-drone mismo, diba? Hindi natin alam.
Alamin mo kaya?
Tanungin natin, DM mo siya.
So, eto, hanap tayo ng ano. Eto, si mama niya ata to. Ang ganda niya nung bata.
Grateful for the morning messages you sent.
It's a Mother's Day greeting para sa kanyang mother. Hindi naman pwede na ano, no? Father greeting para sa kanyang
mother.
This one naman is a picture with Beatrice Gomez kasi magka-batch sila noong 2021. Ayan sila. The top 5. So, sino manalo dito?
Feeling ko si, Beatrice. Feeling ko lang.
So, nanalo dito si Beatrice, tapos si Katrina, tapos siya, and then si Maureen, tapos second runner-up si,
ayun, yung batch na pinanood talaga natin kasi andyan sina, Katrina tayo dati.
Katrina Velarde. Tsaka yan yung batch na, nasa probinsya tayo, tas pandemic, wala
Katrina
tayong...
Velarde?
Ha?
Katrina Velarde. Ano ba yung isip ako?
Si Katrina Dumaranan, syempre.
Dumaranan.
So, ayan, I like this photo. Ganda. Di ba ang ganda niya? Tas, I mean, yung mata niya, napaka-expressive, parang umungusap.
Kind of. Parang,
ano? May kamay yung mata niya.
Meron, nang gaganon.
Ayan, this one, maganda rin to. Feeling ko makarelate ka dyan kasi diba, music is something na nakaka-relax.
Mm-hmm.
It relaxes you.
Yes.
But sometimes, it doesn't relax the
the
other person.
The listeners.
So, yun siya. And, ayun.
May pagka-Marian yung ibang side.
She's someone din na napaka-remarkable or napaka-memorable na woman during that time or na naging candidate ng Miss Universe Philippines. That's why she deserves the comeback. And sana ay maging mataas yung kanyang placement. Sana ay maging successful ang kanyang journey this 2024.
Yes. Gusto ko lang isingit na may pagka-vibe siya ng Salma Hayek. Tayo yung powerful woman, ganyan. Mafe-feel mo yung presence siya pag pumasok siya sa isang room.
There could be a inspirational woman kapag pag nagsalita yung parang gano'n napapakinggan mo and everything. Thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next upload.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!